all-purpose flour, add butter, and start rubbing butter into the flour until it resembles fine crumbs, like fine bread crumbs. Baking powder, plain yogurt, plain yogurt makes the dough really soft and it's also tastier. You can use this dough right away or you can leave it to rest before rolling it out. Divide your dough into 4. Always start in the middle when you're rolling out pastry. I don't think I can make it into perfect round, but all I can guarantee is the taste. This is the best I can do for my pizza dough. I'm using tomato paste rather than tomato sauce. Tomato sauce sometimes is too wet. And for the toppings, cheese of course, for me anyway. One of the toppings are zucchini, grilled zucchini, smoked ham, pesto, cheese, grilled zucchini, and fold it. Press the edges to seal it. This is called calzone. I call this folded pizza. Calzone in padella. Pan pizza. Lower the heat. Cover it. Fantastic. Cover it again after you flip it over.